Good evening, trader, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Guys, today I'm gonna do the forecasting of all AUD pairs. But before I start, I request you everyone, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. Uh, Today we have expecting high volatility in the market in the AUD pairs because CPI and trim CPI news are coming. So what I was looking from this news is I'm expecting the AUD pairs are gonna be strong, so that news will be good for all AUD pairs. So but guys, this is not a signal, that's the forecast, that's my point of view what's gonna happen in AUD pairs. So if you want to take any kind of signals, you need to join my Telegram channel. But let's start our forecasting. This is the chart of AUD JPY. As you can see guys, the yesterday closed near to my one of support level. So what I'm expecting for the confirmation, or maybe we can buy from this level. That's my weekly support, and that's really strong support. As you can see, the previously it's touched that support here, and what happened after that, we got the upward movement. So I'm expecting AUD JPY to go up again. So we have to see from where it will go up, from this support, or it will come down at least till this level, and then it's gonna go up. Right now trend is down, so but the data is coming, so maybe it will go up from here, but we have to wait for the data what's gonna have effect on this pair. So let's move on to next pair is AUD USD. That's the daily chart of AUD USD. Let me zoom in. As you can see guys, on this chart as well, it's already touched my support level. Previously it's touched here, previously when it was touched on that price. So in AUD I'm expecting again to go up. So yeah, as you can see guys, it's the close near to my one of support, weekly and daily support. So I'm expecting AUD USD to go up a lot. And guys, we don't need to forget we have Fed rates tomorrow as well. So if USD is gonna weak, so then all the pairs against USD will go up badly. So we need to watch, we need to keep eye on that as well. Let's start with AUD CHF. Yeah, AUD CHF again. It's near to one of my support. If it if it will break my this support, then we have to look for this level. But as I told you in my previous forecasting as well, the data is coming right now. Trend is down as well, so it will go up from here, or maybe it will come down a bit and then it will go up again. So at my point of view, I'm expecting AUD CHF little bit down and then it will go up. Let's move to our next pair, that is AUD NZD. Same thing with AUD NZD as well. As you can see, it's already touched one of my support levels, so I'm expecting AUD New Zealand to go up as well. Let's move to AUD CAD. Same thing, the trend is down. As you can see, we have downtrend, but I'm expecting it will recover from here because it's already touched my last support level. So I'm expecting AUD CAD to go up as well. So yeah, that's it guys, that's the forecasting of all AUD pairs. So guys, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share and like video. If you have any question about this, please ask me in the comment and I will definitely answer you guys. All right, thank you very much, take care of yourself, Allah Hafiz, bye.